Folks, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a series of circles in a given angle to touch each other and also the sides of the angle. Let's call this angle BAC. Now in this step, the first thing to do is to bisect the given angle. Let's bisect angle BAC. So let's bisect it here. We have BAC. Let's widen your compass to 1 second. So let's draw the bisector. This is the bisector passing through A. So the intersection passing through A, we get the bisector. Now the next step is you draw a perpendicular to AB. Draw a perpendicular to AB to give a point O. So basically, with center O and radius OE, draw a circle. So let's draw a perpendicular to A from E. So let's say from E, let's pick a point E. Let's pick assume this is a point E. All you need to do is you draw a perpendicular from to AB from E. So we need our protractor for this. Draw a line perpendicular to AB from E. So okay, we'll just use the set square. So to do this, I'll just use the set square. Here we go. Good. So now this line with center O, this is center O now, with center O and radius OE1, draw a circle. So now basically this, we are going to make this a radius OE1. With center O and radius OE, draw a circle. So basically, let's draw the circle. So this circle is going to touch this angle. So you can see it's actually a circle that touches the angle and touches other circle. So the next step is you join E to D. So basically, join ED. Now D is this point here. The other point where the circle touches the bisector. Let's call it D. So we have D here. So you join E to D. This is it here. E to this ED. So when we join E to D, all you need to do is you draw FE parallel to DE. So here's F. F is this point here. F. So let's assume we have another center of circle here. Assume we have another center of circle here. You draw FE parallel to DE. So draw a line parallel to the FE. So we have a line FE. And then when you've done that, you draw this line parallel to this line. So that will be your center O. So project this line parallel, you get a center O. So this is center O, this is second center. So with that, you can also draw a second circle. So this second circle will touch the initial circle too at the point F and pass through the center. So you have something like this. So you can see that these circles are touching the angle, and this is basically how to draw a circle. You can still continue that if the angle is big enough. You can continue doing that till you get to exhaust the space. So thanks for watching.